Let me go over to here, monetize it real quick. If you guys have any trading, investing questions, please let me know. Matter of fact, I'm going to open that up. Thank you, Precious. Probably not. They're having troubles. And then the Discord too. Oh, thank you. Oh, that was you making that one. All right. Let's go ahead and go to. Yep. Here we go. Welcome everybody on YouTube. I'm going to swing over to the YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. Everybody here on TikTok, you'll see the YouTube channel. You come over to here, type in the safety trade. You'll come over to the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is right here. It looks exactly like this. The original and true safety trade is 2.44 thousand subscribers, 563 videos. And if you go down here, we're going to see our live. I'm going to click on that. And hopefully we have a few people join us there. Oh, we get to use the scanner too. It's freaking awesome. Yep, it went through. Just got the message. Look, there we go. Yay. Hey, everybody. What's up, LT? Welcome back. Good evening, D Nice. Good evening, Kim, the Candle Envy. Good evening, Peter P. Thanks for sharing your trades again the other day. Appreciate that. Jason McCain, hello. Thomas, hello. Welcome back, everybody. We're live on TikTok, Twitter, and Twitch, and YouTube. Apollonia, welcome. And okay, so I got some of those welcomes out of the way. Make sure that we said hi to everybody. I always try to do that by name. Let's grab this down here. And where are we at? And if you guys could please remember to do those little thumbs up things, that'd be awesome. Had another golden day today. Is that right? Golden Peter P. How much did you make? LT made 150% of my account today. Congratulations, LT. Way to kick freaking ass. Way to go. Awesome. What's up, Alan and Precious Pips? I know who that is. Sog. What's up, Sog? Just trading NAS. Awesome. NAS is something else. That call we made was amazing. I'm still in these calls from May 15th, 5:15. Still in buy stops on NAS and SPX. The reason I'm in it because we're currently in a 4-hour buy stop called out back a few days ago, and I've been in this trade literally for almost a month, about 3.5 weeks now. We're up $9,000 on one and $1,300 on another. So that's that trade. This trade is golden. This is one of my golden. This is a demo trade only, but this is demo profit and loss $5,000 on a gold trade on options through Nadex. So that's working out pretty well for us. And then these are the trades from today. These are the trades from 5/8 right here. 1,400, 1,900, 1,500, and 1,500. These were all made live in front of you guys this morning. This $3,600 trade was made on 5/1 a week ago. So I have trades open 3 weeks ago. I have trades open from Monday, and I have trades open a week ago, and I have trades open today. So these are the current trades. They're buys on NASs, and I'll explain how we got into that very easily, and also a buy on US30. And though it's currently my trades. So I'm glad you guys are also kicking ass. That's freaking great. That's the whole purpose of what I'm doing, is so we can all kick ass together. All right. What's up, Alan? Good evening, sir. JIS Candle, you from Nebraska, went to school there. Oh, okay. What's up, JIS? Sandro, what's up? Riding SPX to the moon. Been in the trade for 5 hours. And congratulations. $930 for gold today. Congratulations to Peter P and Sandro and LT. Congratulations. What's up, OG? That's freaking awesome. Let's go ahead and pull up those trades so everyone can see that's what I'm talking to. This is what's happening over here on YouTube. You guys can head over there whenever. I'm going to go over the trade today. Where did it go? Where's the talk? There it is. So these are their talks. This is Peter P saying he made $930 today on gold using the system. You can see that Sandro's riding the SPX to the moon. LT made 150% today. And of course, I showed you all my trades. So that's what's happening over there. Again, if you want to head over there, feel free. We're not staying on long. Can it be common for tech to go opposite of SPY? Can it be common? I guess the answer to that, of course, anything can be common, but that's not how we trade. So I'll call out 14 symbols for you right now, and then I'm going to explain to you how our system works and how easy it is. You're freed of all that silliness as far as support and resistant lines and Fibonacci retracement looking to the left, naming and candles and candle patterns. None of that matters. So I'll show you how we trade in just a little bit. But right now I'm going to call out gold, Amazon, U.S. oil, EURGBB, XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I'm going to name out 14 different symbols. I'm going to call them for you. And then we're going to have some fun. Good evening, Maria. Andres, are you going over tickers? I'm going over 14 symbols, if that's what you're asking. D-Nice says up 4%. Yay, D-Nice. Congratulations. Yay, D-Nice. All right, I'm going to make some call-outs. Then we're going to go over why the easiest 120 pips could have been made today on NAS-100. I'll explain that. And here we go. We're going to start with gold first, though. 1 minute gold. Look for any sell stop down to the 1 minute blue line. If you don't know what the blue line is, buy the system. 5 minute. Nothing. It's going to form that 1 minute sell stop is going to form a 15-minute buy stop next on gold. Then gold will go up and touch again the 30-minute line and the 1 hour line like we called today. And of course, it went up and did that. And then 4 hour gold is a sell stop down to the 4 hour blue line. And then that's it on gold. Now, look, I'm bringing over the scanner for you guys because it's absolutely incredible. Our system has a scanner that you can get totally optional. It's calling out all these trades for us. Look at them. It's calling out, look at this Deutsch 5 minute buy stop. It made 2,000 on average. It makes over 2,000 calls a day for you. There it is. Deutsch new. You only trade when it's new. The only time you trade is when these are new. Look at that. Litecoin versus Bitcoin. 30-minute sell stop. Neo, don't even know what that is. Bitcoin, 1 hour sell stop. Look at them all. Over 2,000 trades a day it calls out. All of them trades just like me, so extremely accurate. XRP bit, 2,000 trades the scanner calls out for you every day. Zcash, 1 minute sell stop. Unbelievable. Unbelievably effective and unbelievably just what it does. It works on indices. The system works on all Forex, works on all major cryptos, and works on all stocks. Matter of fact, Amazon was one of the stocks that did fantastic today on. All right, just wanted to share that with you. Now, we were calling out gold. We're done with gold, going on to Amazon. Okay. Good evening, Ore Ramos. All right, Amazon, 1 minute. Too late. We can't call it. 5 minute. I don't like it. 15 minute. Nope. 30 minute buy stop. 1 hour buy stop. That's all I'm calling it. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. That was Amazon. U.S. oil. 1 minute sell stop. It's going to be going down to its blue line. Oh, it's not. Whoa. Hold on a second now with oil. Oh, whoa. I'm not taking it back, but give me a second. 1 minute, 5 minutes. Must be a 15 minute. It is. It is a 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop right now. Look for any 1 minute and play it on the way down. This is oil. And then watch and see 1 hour buy stop to the 1 hour blue line on oil, which had already hit twice, by the way. And then 4 hour sell stop to the daily blue line on oil. And then it's a daily weekly sell stop to the weekly blue line. Then it's a weekly monthly buy stop on oil. Again, pick your flavor, which time period you like to trade, and stick with that and do good. We're on EURGBB. Look for any and all 1 minute buy stops to the blue line. It's going to do that. 5 minutes going to turn into a 15-minute sell stop later on this evening. Maybe the morning by it does that. Here is now another call out by the scanner calling out gold 5 minute buy stop. Let me see what I called out on gold. Let me go back to that. EURGBB. Yes, it is. That is correct. It is a 5 minute buy stop on gold. All right. EURGBB, 4 hour sell. You're already in it. daily, nothing. Weekly buy stop EUR GBB, and that's what it's doing right now. GBB JPY, probably still going to its monthly blue line. Play any and all. Well, hold on a second on that. GBB JPY. It's in a 5-minute buy stop. You're probably too late to get into this. Yeah, I wouldn't enter in now. Wait for a pullback on the 1 minute and then enter in for the 1 minute buy stops. GBB JPY, it's been going up. It's a weekly buy stop to the monthly blue line. I've literally been calling this for months to go to here. It's going to come up and touch this blue line right there. That's where it's going to. So play any and all 1 minute buy stops. USD CHF is the opposite of ERUSD. So whatever I call for one is the opposite of the other. You're looking at a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Then it will form a 15-minute buy stop on ERUSD. It already went up. Look at that perfect call. There it is. Went up to the 30-minute buy blue line today. And then tomorrow it'll go back down and then back up to the 1 hour blue line on ERUSD. And then you're going to see a 4-hour sell stop and then a daily buy stop and a weekly sell stop on ERUSD to the monthly blue line. That's where it's going to. XRP, love us some XRP. We're down to 50 cents. Huh? All right, sell stop. I'm sure it's going down to, it is. Sell stop, XRP down to its blue line, 1 minute. XRP will then form a 15-minute buy stop or 30. Depends how far this dips. 15-minute buy stop. By the way, you're definitely in the money on your US 30 sell. If you took that, it's a US 30 sell down to its blue line along with NAS and along with SPX. Matter of fact, I'm going to mark this in over here so we're clear on what I call that right here. All right, sorry. XRP then is a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. XRP will turn into a 15-minute buy stop. XRP 1 hour, XRP 4 hour, XRP daily. Weekly. Daily buy, weekly sell, monthly buy. That's XRP. Ethereum. And Ethereum trades just like Bitcoin. So whatever I call out will be the same. It's already hit its blue line. 1 minute. So any Ethereum's a 1 minute sell stop. 5-minute buy stop. Ethereum. 1 hour sell stop. Weekly sell stop to the blue line. Ethereum. Monthly buy stop. Bitcoin. 1 minute sell stop already happened to the blue line. Look for 1 minute sell stops and pay attention to a 15-minute to the 15-minute blue line again on a buy stop. That's what's going to happen longer term. And then it's going to go up to its 30-minute buy stop and then flip around and it's going to go down to a 1 hour, 4-hour sell stop to the 4-hour blue line on Bitcoin. And then Bitcoin turns into a daily buy, weekly sell, monthly buy. GBB USD, 1 minute, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. It's going to form 5-minute, maybe even a 15-minute. I think it's going to drop pretty far. It's going to go all the way down. Check the blue line if I put up 2 charts. But at any rate, GBB USD is going to be a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line and somewhere in the range of a 15, 30-minute buy stop. I would say 15. And then it's going to, look at this, it's too late. Daily buy, weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line on ERUSD. It's really odd I do that, but that's what it is. Play every 1 minute sell stop in SPX to its blue line. Should already be in the money and out of this trade. I called it when I first opened. And then this is going to form a 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. I can even say a 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Yeah, I think it's going to fall that much. And that's it. So SPX. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Where's SPX? 5-minute. Nope, don't like that. It's going to form a 30-minute. So we're going to take these 2 away. We're going to make this 1 minute sell stop to line, and then we're going to make SPX. It's probably going to form because I already did the other one, 30-minute buy stop. I already did the 15 minutes, so I have a feeling it's going to fall pretty hard. NAS is going to do the same thing. 1 minute sell stop to its blue line. What's it going to go down to? It's going to go down to the 15-minute. Okay, I'll change this to 15:30. It doesn't matter. You guys know the routine. It's going to do what it's going to do every damn time. It repeats itself over and over and over again. Going to form. So we're going to do NAS and NAS 100. Oopsie. And yeah, SPX to the blue line. Yep, that's correct. And then a 50. So it's going to drop down to this line right here. Well, the blue line on the 1 minute, but this line right here on the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and then hook later on tomorrow morning or whatever, and then come back up again. NAS. I'm sorry, US 30. We're on US 30. US 30. Play any and all sell stops down to its blue line. So all of these, I can take this one away too. The US 30 NAS and all of them are the same. I'm going to take this away now. This makes it really easy for you guys, no confusion. So in order for these to form, again, you guys always get me a little confused. These sell stops that I'm calling out now on US 30 and SPX and NAS, all of these are just forming the higher time frame buy stops. That's all they're doing right now. And then US 30, again, it's got to pull down, I would say 15-minute, already did, 30-minute, 1 hour. 30. How far would this be down? 100 pips. Yeah, it's going to do that. Every one of these is going to go down. They're going to arch up on the 1 minute. They're going to form their sell stops right here. Let me draw out exactly what this is going to do. You're about to see this come down, come over, come back up, and come down, forming our logo. What you're then going to see is every one of these things stay. Let me move this out of the way. Stay red, except for this indicator, the bullshit detector indicator. This will turn green. The rest of these indicators right here, this one will stay red, red, red. This will turn green. This will be red, red. This will be on the 1 minute chart. When this pulls back up, hooks over, and comes back down, it's going to go down to its blue line. Is that clear enough for everybody? That's what US 30, that's what SPX, and that's what NAS is going to do. Clear as day. No misunderstandings. Then after it does that and goes down, eventually maybe several hours later, probably late or early tomorrow morning, it'll form a 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop, depending on which flavor you're on. If it's the SPX and the other 30, use your own judgment. Then it will flip, then it will come up, and then it will do its buy stops. I've called the same trade out over the last year and a half, probably, I don't know, 100 times, maybe more. Same thing over and over again. That's what they do, just repeat themselves. So that's what you got. And that's over 14 different symbols. You will get everything you'll need to see, then rest is up to you. Systems probably you'll see it works. Your system works in stocks. Yes, it does. So hi, Bri, Chi, and Suchi. How do you say that? Not happy with bad air quality. Oh, what's up, Kareem? What's up, two silly Siberians? What's up, Michael? What's up, Ore? And yes, it works in stocks. Correct. Are you going over tickers? Just did over 14 of them. Funny. What's up, Heart and Soul? Heart and Soul. All right. So I told you exactly what's going to happen on these. It'll happen. Just take your time. Have your sell stops in place. Sell stop, 1 minute fill in the gap, US 30. I want to pull on. No, it's got to come up higher. I want all these to come up higher. These aren't close enough at this point. Let me see, we are in the 15 minute. Yeah, this needs to arch up more, come back down. All right, so those are your call outs. Let me go over NAS today and how I knew for a fact that where this was going, and I called this out for you to the 5 minute line back here. So this is what happened this morning. At open, well, technically a little right before open, right? We saw this big, huge mess right here at 1630, 1640, so right in this area. But we can see for a fact that we had a 5 minute buy stop engaged on NAS. So what we were looking at wasn't NAS at all. I trade SPX 500, I trade NAS 100, and I trade US 30 as one symbol. So let's take a look and see when each one of these passed its blue line here. We can see clearly SPX passed its 1 minute blue line right here. And then we can also see US 30 pass its blue line. Let's see. Oh, gee, way before that on its 1 minute. US 30 passed its blue line back here, right here. And that would have been on 6-1. So US 30 has passed its 1 minute blue line and is above it. Then we wait and see where we need 2 out of the 3. We call it the 2 out of the 3 scanner. It's coming up very soon. Oh my God, when you guys see this. So it passed and goes above it right here on 6/8. Well, I wonder where NAS was when this all went above it, right? Well, NAS was down here. So in theory, they gave us to the blue line 160 pips for free, and then it kept going up. So my entries, because I got up late, were late. I got in here and we got in here. So when we got in here, you're looking at approximately 162 pips, but they gave me free 90 pips straight up. And these are my trades in this account right here from today. And you can see they're still open and running because it's just going to form. It's going to come down and lose a little bit and show some less earnings, but then it's going to come way back up higher tomorrow, Lord willing. If not, the worst case scenario is I'll lock in some pips for you. On my one trade, my worst case scenario is like 700 or 800 pips. And in this case, it'll be probably about 80 pips in these ones. You can see US 30 buy from 6/1. Let me pull this over for people on TikTok. You can see 6/8 buys all along this morning at the times in right here. And this is your trade. And that's today, 6/8. And there you go. And all stop losses actually are TikTok. I got to raise that up now. And that's how I found the trade. That's how I called the trade. And right now I'm just moving my stop losses into take profit. So on one of these trades, we're guaranteed 90 pips. And another set of trades, we're going to be guaranteed 60 pips. So no matter what happens, even this hooks down hard and comes completely down further than I think, who cares? We're going to make money on the trades. We make a shit ton of money. And then on my other trades I've had open for 3 weeks, let me show you what those look like right here. These are in my, this is AnyDesking to my other computer in my house. I don't think you can read these, but right here, one of them, this NAS one right here, is up $9,000 on this trade. And we're up approximately 1,100 pips. And my take profit right here, what you guys call stop loss, is up 700 pips, 715. So we're up 11. Stop loss is 700. I'm okay to make 700 pips in the trade. I'll be okay with that. I'll sleep at night. Okay, so that's how I read it. That's why I'm in it. It's forming currently as I just told you. It's going down as I told you. You're in the money again on NAS. I told you it was the sell stop fill in the gap. You're in the money again on US 30. You can watch it go down before your very eyes. You'll see it drop. And you're also you're in the money on SPX again. There's your SPX money again. Here's your NAS money again. And then there's your US 30 money again. And after I just been on just a few minutes, you guys have made a shit effing ton of money. All right, where are we at now? That's NAS thing. Let me see SPX. SPX is going to hook up a little bit and then come right back down again. And so is US 30. Good. All right, we'll get you in again. Make some more money for you. All right. Does your system work on Binance? Michael asked. Binance? You better be careful with Binance. My system works on Eagle FX and you can trade anywhere you like. So the answer is yes. SPX and US 32. Thanks, Kevin, says Andrew Lauder. Patience on these trades, let them come to you, says Peter P. Andrew Lauder says Bri and God. Thanks, Bri and God. Absolutely. All right. Does anybody have any questions on TikTok or YouTube? I'm about finished up for what I want to do. What's up, Jimmy Hustle? I know you kicked ass today. What's up, Pepper? What's up, Sog? The reason I'm asking is very hard to find a burger taste Canadian. Yeah, you absolutely. We have multiple. Who's our Canadian people, Precious? North Guy Scott is Canadian. There's a lot. Yeah, we can't think about top of our head, but there's probably a dozen Canadians. And yes, you can get Eagle FX. You can put demo account on Eagle FX, install it. Although I would get a live account, put $5 in there, $10 in there, but whatever. Because otherwise, on your demo account, you have to keep them active once a month. And for some reason, people aren't trading once a month. I don't understand. But anywho, yeah, you can go ahead and install it on Eagle FX and trade anywhere you like. Perfectly fine. See Canadians in chat often. Yes, they are. Yes, thank you, Kev Bri. I can't get a live on Eagle FX. You don't need a live. You can do, and that doesn't seem right. If you can't get a live in Eagle FX, then go to Hugo's Way. But either way, you don't need it. I don't think I'm being clear, Michael. Let me be clear. You hook it up on Eagle FX, demo or live, or you can hook it up on Hugo's Way, demo or live, And then you can trade anywhere you want. You can use Binance if you want. You can use Eagle FX. You can use Pepperstone. You can use Tradeovite. You can use Thinkorswim. You can use any broker you like. Anything. And that's as clear as I can get. Call exceed. I don't think I'm calling anymore. Monday, Friday.
My brothers are in Canada. So yeah, and he has, I think Andrew has like 3 brothers.
The Lauders are Canadian.
Yeah.
I just live in Sweden. My brothers are Canadian.
Used Eagle FX.
So here's somebody telling you that they can do it from Canada. Thank you for speaking up. Right here. You can go over to YouTube and see right here. Andrew Lauder is telling you that you can do it. How do you like living in Sweden, by the way, Andrew? We never thought about going to Sweden. We just said Italy. Sell, stop, fill in the gap. All 3 indices, play them down until they hit their blue lines or come close to their blue lines 1 minute. It's 2 a.m. here. Wow. 2 a.m. A little late, brother. We won't stay long, though. Thank you for being here, though. How was the pony day? Oh, how did the horseback riding go today, Precious?
Yeah, there was another scheduling mishap. So we didn't go last week. We didn't get to go today. So hopefully next week.
It's the only place around that does horseback riding, so we're kind of stuck with them. Otherwise, obviously, after 2 times of their making scheduling mistakes, quote unquote, we wouldn't be staying. We paid good money to go, so they need to do better. Big time. But thank you for asking for that, by the way. I can't help you with getting funds out. You can use nadex.com. I love nadex options. Holy shit. I don't know if that go. Look at all the trades. Look at all the trades coming. Woo! Oh, they just went away. Oh, but they're still there. Watch. There's a U.S. oil 1 minute. There's a Germany 1 minute. Nice. Look at them. I just love the scanner. Over 2,000 trades for you to pick from. Indices, Forex, crypto, stocks. 2,000 different trades the scanner calls out over that on average every day. Just imagine the power that you possess. This is optional. You don't have to have it. We're going to get a full-on sell stop here very soon for the indices. But anyway, it's just amazing. $50 a month if you want to get it after you buy the system. You have to have the system first to get it. Sell stop, all 3 indices again, calling it out clearly. It's going to go down. Oh, well, it will. They're going to go down and touch the blue line and get closer, and then just go ahead and wait for the buy stop. The scanner is always giving trades yep to look at any time. It's crazy. Already put in the rules, just waiting for the zoom. Yay, yay. Yay, yay. Good for you, buddy. Glad you have your rules printed. Awesome. Isn't that hard? But some people do have trouble with that. Annie says, oh, thank you, Annie. Annie says, I'm in Canada. I'm in Canada. I'm in Canada too. Up in an hour. What time is sunrise in Canada? 2:30 in the morning?
Andrew's in Sweden.
Oh, he's in Sweden. I'm my bad. It's good. Moved here 8 years ago. Oh, cool. Thank you, Andrew, for letting us know. I'm in Canada. I'm a Canadian, and it works in Ontario. So I hope that helps whoever was asking about that. Looking for shorts. Yeah, the Black Pearl, you sure are. If you're playing the, should I put over the wrong one? Fuck. If you're looking on the indices, you are looking for shorts. Sell stops. We call them sell stops. Sell stop NAS-100. You can put it right here, just like this. Sell stop 1. And wait for it to come down. SPX. Sell stop also. This is official, actually. I can't tell you where to put things directly anymore with numbers because we have too many scammers out there. But you can kind of pick what I'm saying and doing right here. And then we also have some buy stops. But I'm already in buy stops, so I refuse to do anything to do with buy stops now. I'm in so many damn buys, it's crazy. All right, and that's our little trades. And we'll wait right there on those. All right, guys. Any questions from TikTok? Anything at all? Anything at all. And thank you for speaking up, Annie, and thank you for speaking up, Andrew. Anyone else? Have a great night, Kev. Thank you. Scanner just called out another trade. XTZUSD. I don't even know what it is. It's obviously some kind of crypto. It must be right down there. It is. And look at how beautiful. This is a good little lesson for everyone. You only trade from the scanner when it flashes new. Then you physically open up the chart yourself. You verify this trade on the higher time frame. Then you take a trade if you want. That should have ES1. So that's how you trade using the scanner. Everyone needs to learn that. That's really not to understand that. You don't trade them when they're standing still. XTZ in the house. Massive thanks, Kev. Again, hit like everyone. What's up, Henry? Thank you, Peter P. Thank you for sticking it out and learning the system and not giving up. I know you came close a couple times. Sell stop US30, sell stop SPX, sell stop NAS, all 1 minute. All 1 minute to their blue line. Wait and be patient and take every sell stop you can see down to the blue line. Then afterwards, it will form a 15-minute buy stop or a 5-minute buy stop or a 30-minute. Just for the love of God. Look for the buy stops. But in the meantime, make money on these trades. You're going to make a lot of money on this way down. What does it mean when there's a number 123 street NSF or BS on the scanner? There's no 1, 2, 3. There's a 1 and a 3. There is no 2. And you're in the money on your NAS sell. Oh, whoa. You're in the money on your NAS sell stop right now. You can take this trade and close it depending on how many pips you have. You're up 2 or 3 pips. It doesn't sound like much, but this is shitty after-hour trading with no volume. So you're in the money on the trades I just called out. Here we go for like the second or third time, actually. What it means is when you see the BS1s, the BS1s mean this has been verified on the 1 minute and, well, actually, in this case, it's a BS1 5-minute. So when you see this on Deutsch right here, this means the 5-minute, 15-minute has been verified. The scanner is actually trading better than 90% of the people that train because it's trading like me. So the scanner is comparing 2 time frames, higher and lower, and it's comparing them and saying if it's a 1, that means it's perfect. If it's a 3, that means it's good, but not perfect. Still going to the blue line. This is a blue line scanner trade. This is a normal sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. This is a normal buy stop. When it's BS, when you're in the money, you're in the money on all 3 indices. As I told you, you're in the money even further now on NAS. I'll get back to that in a second. Entry was right here. Lock in your profit or close it down if you opened up more than one. You literally just made money, depending on where you entered it on this trade, somewhere around 5 to 6 to 7 pips. On SPX, you made enough money to close it down. You should be out of that trade already. It's a half a pip or 3/4 pip or a pip. It prepares. If you're watching the power of the program live, as I call trades live, they go down for you live about a minute later. This is very easy pickings at this time of night. This is a fill in the gap, sell stop, and it's going down to this blue line. And there you go. You can learn to trade too. You no longer have to ever be just suckered into the lies and the deceit of your buy lines or your trend lines or your support resistant lines, Fibonacci retracement, naming of candles or candle patterns. The silliest things I've ever heard. 99% of the time, that does not work. Volume does not work 99% of the time. VWAP does not work 99% of the time. How do we know? Type in, everybody loves this kind of stuff. People start groaning when I say it, but I don't care. It's the truth. Do 1% of day traders make money? Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Yet, nearly 100% of day traders use volume and VWAP. It doesn't work. 99% of the time, they fail. Volume doesn't work. Candle patterns doesn't work. Don't work. 99% of the time. Period. 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 Argue all you want, it doesn't work. Argue all you want, it doesn't work. Argue all you want, it doesn't work. Google it. 1% of day traders make money. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. Yet they all use Fibonacci retracements. 99% of the time, Fibonacci does not work. Period. There's no argument. This isn't a debate. This isn't me being angry or mean. This is me telling you for a fact that Fibonacci retracement works 1% of the time. Period. Oh, but it comes from nature. It doesn't even make sense. When I learned that, I was like, what are they doing? It's like ignorance at its best. When you use the system, the calls are very powerful, can't do blindly. Quick money on SPX. There you go. Quick two silly by variance. Absolutely. Great job, buddy. No, only love the system. The only problem now is it affects my sleep. I hear you on that. What's up, bootlegger? Just making some money for people, explaining the system for people, telling people the truth about the BS they try to teach us. I honest to God, think now, after being in this for a while, that they teach every one of us wrongly. And I won't say who, but the powers that be are teaching us how to, because there's no way that they teach us support resistance and it'd be wrong 99% of the time. There's no, they're not, they did that on purpose. They made every one of us lose money on purpose. For 100 years, they taught us the wrong way. Actually, our current system is under 240 years old. So by the naming of candles and candle patterns, they taught us wrong on purpose, so we lose. Plain and simple. They did it on purpose. I'm trying to teach you guys on purpose the correct way to trade and the real way to trade and a profitable, consistently profitable way to trade. Pepper says, agree, been banging my head. Yeah, Pepper, I lost for 5.5 years, $26,500. Period. And it's unbelievable. Yeah, Quantum saying they do it on purpose, right? Zero Hedge is doing it on purpose. They do because it's impossible to think that I'm not dumb. You guys aren't dumb. Two silly Siberians isn't dumb. Pepper's not dumb. You guys are not dumb. For them to be teaching us things that are wrong 99% of the time is impossible. It's statistically impossible. I mean, you think they get it right 50% of the time with Fibonacci retracements. And I tried doing Fibonacci for a year and a half, over a year. It was a year and a half, Fibonacci retracement. And I couldn't get that damn thing to work to save my life or to save thousands of dollars. Oh, and yes, it would work here or there. But bullshit, it failed me all the time. I was so annoyed. That's why I made the system. Easiest, peasiest system you're ever going to see in your life. I've got to show you even how it works. It's the easiest system on earth. I can show you the NAS 5-minute buy stop to the blue line right here. Look, it happened twice actually. I'll do this one right here. Watch. Whenever you see this pattern, this is how hard it is. I can teach you how to trade in 30 seconds. What took me, 9 years to perfect, I can teach it to you in 30 seconds. I can compress decades into seconds. This is all you need to do right here. Watch. When you see this pattern against the white, when you start from the bottom, it's green, 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 red, green, green. This is actually technically called the bullshit detector indicator because it detects the bullshit of the market, the fake out, the fake move of down. And all the rest of these are saying up, green, green, green. Red is the fake down. Green, green means up in our business. You put a buy stop above our line. Can't go into much detail because too many scammers. We come up here and up it goes, and there's your money. And there it is. And that doesn't look like a lot, but that's a shit ton right there. That's about 60, 70 pips, which professional traders make 10. And there's your buy stop, which there's another buy stop forming. I'm just telling you it's going to keep going down a little bit. Oh, look, 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 look. Before your very eyes, it's dropping down further. There's your money on NAS again. There's your money again on SPX right here. Just call this trades out for you right there. There you go. And you're about to be in the money on US30 even more. Watch it go down before your very eyes as called out live. Tell me, I've been calling these trades out for 550 videos over the last 10, 11 months now on YouTube, documented. Every trade I've ever traded is documented on YouTube. You should sell this, by the way, on SPX. You should be out of this trade or lock in your profit, depending on if you're a beginner or not. I'm just going to set everywhere right here, so we barely break even with that trade. Good enough for me. I hate that lag. Look at it go down. Look at it go down. There's your money. Right before your very eyes. Sell stops forming. Going down before your very eyes. Look at NAS. Oh, that's not a lot of money. Oh, I don't know. It's shitty hours. It's after hours, and you're up 5 pips. Average professional traders make 10 in a day. I did it in about 30 seconds for you. So you made 5 pips in a minute. Take that to the bank. And you're in the money on it. Can you do system, do quick trades like binary options? Ho, 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 ho. Yes. Yes, it can. Now, the binary options you're talking about in 8X. I watched another trading dude before finding Kev Bri, went back and his calls were bogus. Right. These are, well, here they are. Here they are open. You want to see some Nadex. Now, these are demo ones. These are demo Nadex. My other trades are not. This is demo Nadex because I had to do it on Monday when I wasn't logging in the real account. There's these aren't what you're talking about. You're talking about the blocks. Oh my God, what do we call it? Oh crap. Yes, you can still use them for that, but I'm using this different. I looked at gold on Monday. I saw gold was a buy stop on the daily. I opened up weekly options. I'm up $5,000, $5,198 on the binary options. You're calling them. Oh my God, what are the fast ones called? You're gonna force me to go out here. Hold on one second. They're called. Oh Lord, I used to do that, and it's crazy insanity. I don't do it anymore. Where is our actual? Come on. Hold on, I'm going to open this all the way up. Give me a second, sorry. Nope, nope. Oh, it's not gonna let me because of the time. I forgot my bad. So yeah, I can't. They're called not blast. What the fuck are those options called? Oh God. I don't remember. But anyhow, but yes, Yoda man, you can use them that way if you like. What should I do before going? All right, so you're in the money on those trades I just pulled out for you. Keep in mind they're going to keep going down, so their blue lines just keep taking every sell stop you can. They may or may not touch the blue line. They may come close enough to hang your horseshoes, but they're heading down in this direction. As you can see, I've been correct already with the calls earlier this evening, just about a half hour ago, over one been on. Again, it's dropping down before your very eyes are in the money. Again on NAS, look at it. There it goes. I don't know what to tell you. So we locked in profit. I also have buy stops longer term in place on these. Even though they're going down against me, I don't care. I know on the higher time frames they're going to go up. In order for a higher 1 hour, for instance, buy stop to happen, it has to be a 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. It just has to. So there's just a game. It just goes up, it goes down. It goes up, it goes down. We just catch it every time. That's all. Blue line totally rocks. Yes, it does. Two silly Siberians. Two silly Siberians. Precious. Can you tell everybody here what your profession is, two silly Siberians? Do you mind? And are you still here, McCain? Dr. McCain, are you still here, Dr. McCain, by chance? No. In the money again on your SPX trade if you didn't sell yet. Dr. Matt Spangler, are you still here, Dr. Matt? And Jason McCain, his brother. What's up, Jason? I just wanted I am a physician. I'm a busy guy. Never thought time to trade. Right. So two silly by Siberians is a physician. Jason McCain's brother is a physician, and Dr. Matt Spangler is a chiropractor, and of course my brother, Dr. Gregor, is a chiropractor, and we just have doctors trading. We have many, actually, a couple others. We have over a dozen different financial advisors that use the system. We have people sitting on the floor of the stock market also trading with us through us. And we have more people have more. Oh my God, you couldn't imagine how many people have their funded accounts, which we found out today, Precious. What did we find out today? That only 2% of people who try their funded accounts pass. 2% of the people who try to get funded pass. How many people have we had? It's been insane. We've had dozens sell stop again 1 minute. NAS. We've had some people like Tommy pass probably 6 or 8 himself. Himself passed 6 or 8 different ones himself. I don't know what to tell you guys. Holy lordy. Yeah, you can bash your funded accounts like no one's business on this. Unbelievable. All right. Anyone else on TikTok have any questions? And Jimmy Hustle, and who's the young guy? Thomas, Stevie. They've all passed in multiple funded accounts. It's crazy. Thank you for speaking up, two silly Siberians. Thank you for speaking up, Jimmy. 2 funded accounts for and 2 on the way, says Stevie. Nice. I mean, it's crazy what you can do. All right, I'm going to leave you guys. It's getting hot and I'm tired. All right, TikTok. Holler if you need anything. Email, message us. Have fun. Talk to y'all later. YouTube, anything? Any questions for YouTube? If you have individual questions, please join me on my training sessions, advanced training sessions at 2:30. I'd say 3 o'clock on Mondays, 3 to 4 or 4 to 5. You can ask individual questions. If you have group questions, ask right now, please. There's something that would affect the group. Jason McClain says, thanks, Kev. Glad to see you back, by the way, Jason. I know for a minute there I was missing you. Show your appreciation. Hit the like button before you go. Let's see. We have 34 and 28. It's not too bad. Thank you, Campbell. All right, guys, no questions. Be prepared for another sell stops. Wait for them to come back down. Don't worry about the other. And if not, make sure you're ready for those 5-minute, 15-minute buy stops. I just don't think they're going to happen tonight. Come back. Could be wrong. Be ready for the buys if you have to. All right, guys. Y'all have a great night. Precious, anything?
Bye. Have a good night.
Precious done. It's ready to go. All right, guys. Night, night. Have a good one. God bless. Woo. See you one too long. How long was that, Precious?